our next section is on arc lengths. And the arc length is just part of the actual circles. So remember, circumference is the distance around a circle. And the units are linear. Okay, so they do not have feet, inches, centimeters, etc. So to find the circumference of a circle, basically remember it's all the way around. That's the circumference. So it's the diameter times pi, or 2 pi r, where d is the diameter of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. So to find the circumference of any circle, take the diameter and multiply it by pi. Again, how do you want the answer? If it doesn't say round, leave it in terms of pi. Now, here, in the second example, we're trying to find the radius. So C equals 2 pi r is our formula. So 70 equals 2 pi r. Dividing both sides by 2 pi, and rounding, we will find that r equals 35 over pi feet. Now an arc length is part of the circumference of a circle. You can set up a ratio of the arc length, circumference, and the arc measure. Okay, so basically all we're talking about is how long is this distance. Okay, we're going to keep it really simple. We're not going to find the ratio of the length of the arc of a circle is equal to the measure of the arc to 360. All we are going to do is keep our original formulas and say that arc length equals n, the measure of the central angle, over 360 times 2 pi r. If we're given the diameter, we'll do n over 360 times diameter pi. Okay, so in example 1, our circumference, or in this case arc length, equals 70 over 360 times 2 pi times 4. Okay? Simplifying that, we get 7 over 36 times 8 pi, which is approximately 4.89 millimeters. Okay, example 2. Our radius is 7. Our central angle is 100. So we're going to do 100 over 360 times 2 pi r. Well, 2 times 7 is 14. So we're going to have 14 pi. Simplify, multiply that out. We get approximately 12.22 millimeters. Example 3. Find the length of EF. Okay, the central angle is 140, so we'll have 140 over 360. The radius is 6, so 6 times 2 is 12, so 12 pi. Simplify before you multiply. When you do that, you get, multiply it out, you get approximately 14.66 millimeters. And finally, this last one, find the measurement of our TUV if the arc length of TUV is 27. So we know that TUV, okay, is 27 feet. Okay? So 27 equals N over 360 times 6.3 times 2 times pi. Okay? What we end up doing, cross multiplying, etc., is we end up with 360 times 27 over 39.58 equals the measurement, in this case, of arc TUV. So the measurement of arc TUV, when we multiply this out, equals 245.6 degrees. Okay, that ends our arc length